We are talking to Christelle Fourie, who is the MD of MUA. Christelle, 9 months ago, you took the bold step to move from Compass to Auto & General. What has the move meant for your business?
Well, initially it was quite a challenge. There was quite a negative reaction from the markets because Auto & General is not well known as an intermediated business. But it's been really fantastic. I think for me the most important thing is that our brokers have really been there for us, and it just shows you how relationships can just, if it stands the test of time, when you really need to pull back on those relationships, they come through. So we've had fantastic support from the market. We haven't lost business, and in fact we've continued to grow, and we are producing some excellent results at the moment. So the partnership has been a good decision for us.
Brokers are central parts of MUA's sort of business model. What was their initial reaction? You said it's been very good relationships and very positive from their side.
Well, I think you have to remember that we've been around for 26 years. So we've got some brokers who go back to right to the beginning. And when the announcement was made that we're moving to a new risk carrier, and a risk carrier that's not really well known by the market. In fact, the market perceives Auto & General as a direct insurer, which is to an extent maybe not true, because they are repositioning themselves to be more intermediated. There was quite a bit of distrust around, are they going to attack our clients directly? Are they going to be paying claims? A lot of misconceptions and not really a true reflection of what the reality is. So part of our role is to change that perception about our risk carrier, and really just to show the broker market that there's another alternative out there. And then in fact for MUA it's business as usual. We are still continuing to pay claims, we're growing, we're out there doing our business the way we've been doing it for the last 26 years. But what I do know is when you've got a strong relationship with your brokers, and as a UMA we're not allowed to do direct business, so we have to work through brokers. If you've got a strong relationship with your brokers, they will stand by you in those times where you need people to stand by you. And that, for me, that's been an amazing experience.
Insuring high net worth clients means that you have to be on top of your game all the time in terms of, claim settlements. They probably are slightly more difficult than your average clients. Do you, as far as investing time is concerned, is the assumption that is the assumption correct, and how many, how do you make sure that claims are settled in a speedy and effective way with this group?
The problem with high net worth clients, and I always say our clients, you can classify them in 3 different ways. They're either too important, or too lazy, or too old to go anywhere to do anything. So in our market, time is of the absolute essence. So it's not just about speedy settlement, it's also about convenient settlement. So a high net worth client might not need that cell phone to be replaced immediately because he's got a few others, but he wants it to be replaced at a place and at a time that's convenient to him. And that's what we know well. We've been looking after this target market for a very long time. We know how to service that market, and admittedly when we changed risk carriers in the first couple of months, we changed our motor claim service model, and it was a nightmare in the beginning. We had many problems. We've sorted it out by now, because we realized that don't mess with the convenience factor. You have to look after these clients in a way that that really suits them. So as part of to address that problem, we launched our MUA concierge service a few weeks ago, and what it is, it's we make a driver available to take your car to an assessment, or have it repaired, or even have it serviced, or whatever you need your car to be, like a driver for your car. And it was exceptionally well received by the market, because again, our clients don't have time. They are busy individuals. And what can we as an underwriter do to make more time available to them? Not make it more inconvenient, make it more convenient. So that's what we strive for all the time.
Thank you very much, Christelle.
It's a pleasure.